Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.5 LTS version on Oracle Linux 9. But the process is same on all Oracle Linux 9.1, 2, 3 or 5. Okay, open any web browser, then go to mysql.com, then click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it, then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.5 LTS version. If you are unable to find the version here, you can click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Select it. Then select the operating systems. So select Red Hat Enterprise Linux and Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version Oracle Linux 9. If you are on Oracle Linux 8, select this one. Okay. So I am on Oracle Linux 9. Select it. See, once we selected OS information, it populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this RPM bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 906 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time, so I am going to pause this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.4.5 RPM bundle tar file. We have to untar this one. tar-xf, give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter. ls. See, we have the extracted all RPM packages. Control A. Now install these packages. Sudo rpm-ivh -nodeps star.rpm. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.4.5. So I am going to skip this installation process. After the installation, we will start the MySQL Server. See, installation is completed successfully. Now Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. MySQL D is the name of the service for MySQL Server. Hit enter. See, we have installed MySQL Server, but it is not started. So start it. Q to quit. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. We have successfully started. Let us verify the status. See, MySQL Server started 3 seconds ago. Q ticket, Control A. Now we will see how to connect to MySQL Server. To connect MySQL Server, we must have the password of the root account. Get the temporary root account password. /var log MySQL grep password. See, permission denied. We have to run this command with sudo. See, this is the temporary password. Now set the permanent password for root account by using this one. So run the command sudo mysql _secure _installation. So copy this password. This is not same for you. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now we have to set the password for root account. See, once we pasted that one, see, once we logged in with this new password, that password is expired. Okay, so set the new password for this account. Now again it is asking to change the password. I don't want. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. No. Remove test database. Yes. Reload privileges. Yes. See, all done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Control it. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root - then provide the password that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.4.5. You can also verify the version of the MySQL Server by running the command select version. See, we have connected to MySQL Server 8.4.5. Okay, Control A. Now verify the list of the databases. So databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Verify again. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. See, now switch to database. We can verify by running the command select database. See, we are in the bank database. Now verify list of tables in this database. So tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table and insert some data into this table. Create table, then provide the name of the table, then define the column names and it's a data. See, you have created table customer. Now insert data. Insert one more row. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now we will create a user. First verify list of users. So users. This won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command select user from MySQL dot user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a user. Create user. Now verify again. See, we have created user David. Okay. Now we will see how to connect MySQL server with this user. So first exit from this current user session. Now connect MySQL-u. Then we have to provide the new username, that is David, then -p, then provide the password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Okay, provide it. Enter. Now see, we have successfully logged in with the David user. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have logged in with MySQL server. See, we have logged into the MySQL server by using this David user. Okay. Now try to access newly created database. Select use, then provide the database name. See, we are unable to connect because see, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user, but we haven't granted any privileges to access this database. So exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server on Oracle Linux 9. So first verify the status by running this command. You know, we already know this command. Sudo systemctl status MySQL d. See, it is running. You to quit. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL d. See, MySQL server is stopped. Let us verify. See, MySQL server is stopped. You to quit. Control L. Now also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. Sudo MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. See, we have successfully started. Verify the status. See, we have started 3 seconds ago. Control A. Also try to connect to MySQL server. See, we have successfully connected. Exit. If you want to restart, just give same command. Instead of start or status, give the restart. Then give MySQL d. Hit enter. We have successfully restarted. Verify the status. See, we have restarted 3 seconds ago. Control A. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using the most popular tools MySQL Workbench and dbeaver. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Oracle Linux. Okay, ls these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.4.5 LTS version on Oracle Linux. So remove them. rm start.rpm ls We have one more file, remove it also. RM MySQL, give the tab, hit enter. Unless we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download, install, and configure MySQL Server 8.4.5 LTS version on Oracle Linux 9. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.